The Ganga river system consists of the master river Ganga and large number of its tributaries. This system drains a very large area comprising the middle part of the Himalayas in the north, the northern part of the Indian plateau in the south, and the Ganga plain in between. The Ganga originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Alaknanda, which originates north of Badrinath, joins Bhagirathi at Devprayag. Hereafter it is known as Ganga. But Alaknanda, before reaching Devprayag, meets another three rivers. The Pindar river rising from Nanda Devi joins Alaknanda at Karnaprayag, and Mandakini or Kali Ganga meets at Rudraprayag. The combined water of the Bhagirathi and the Alaknanda flows in the name of the Ganga below Devprayag. Passing by Rishikesh, the Ganga debouches into the plains at Haridwar. Here, debouching means river emerges into wide area. From Haridwar, it flows south and southeast direction to reach Allahabad. Here, it is joined by Yamuna. After reaching Rajmahal Hills, Ganga turns southeast and bifurcates at Farakka Bridge into Hooghly in the West Bengal and as Padma in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra joins it as Jamuna. After meeting Meghna, it enters into the Bay of Bengal. Now let us talk about the largest and the most important tributary of the Ganga, the Yamuna. The Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri glacier in Uttarakhand. After cutting across Nag Tibba, Mussoorie and Shivalik ranges, it emerges out of the hilly area and enters plains. It flows southward up to Mathura and then southeastward up to Allahabad, where it unites with the Ganga. Yamuna receives some important tributaries originating from Peninsular Plateau. These are the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Ken. The total length of the Yamuna from its origin to its confluence with the Ganga at Allahabad is 1376 km. Delhi, Mathura and Agra are the important cities located on its bank. Now let us talk about another most important tributary of Ganga, the river Chambal. It rises from the southern slope of the Vindhya range near Mho in the highlands of Janapao Hills in the Madhya Pradesh. After passing through Kota and Dholpur in Rajasthan, it unites with the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. The river Chambal flows much below its banks due to severe erosion because of poor rainfall, and numerous deep ravines have been formed in the Chambal Valley, giving rise to badland topography. River Chambal also drains Malwa Plateau region. Banas, Sindh, Betwa and Ken are its important tributaries. The main multi-purpose projects built on Chambal are Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar. Now let us talk about another important right bank tributary of Ganga, the river Son. It springs from the Amarkantak Plateau not far from the origin of the Narmada at an elevation of about 600 meters. River Son, after draining the Kaimur ranges of Bagelkhand, it meets Ganga in Patna district. Important tributaries are Johila, Gopad, Rihand, Kanhar and North Koyal rivers. The Damodar river rises in the hills of the Chota Nagpur plateau and flows through the Rift Valley. River Damodar used to cause devastating floods. As a result, it earned the dubious name of Sorrow of Bengal. Though the Damodar Valley Corporation's multi-purpose project have transformed this Sorrow of Bengal into the lifeline of industrial production. Damodar Valley is rich in coal deposits and is known as Ruhr of India. Now these were some right bank tributaries of Ganga. Still more important tributaries of the Ganga originate in the Himalayas and join it on its left bank. The major tributaries of this category apart from the Yamuna are the Ram Ganga, the Gomati, the Ghagra, the Gandak, the Buri Gandak, the Bagamati and the Kosi. River Gandak originates near Tibet-Nepal border and is also known as Narayani. It joins Ganga at Hajipur near Patna. There are few important projects here. The first one is Gandak Hydroelectric Project and the second one is a Bihar-Nepal joint venture. Another important LBT of Ganga is the Kali River. It also rises in high glaciers of snow-covered region of the Trans-Himalaya. It has several feeders in the high ranges and forms the boundary between Nepal and Kumaon for most of its transit across the mountains. It is known as Sarda or Chauka after it reaches the plains near Tanakpur. Below this point, it takes a southeasterly course and joins the Ghagra river. Let us talk about the another important river, that is the Ghagra river. It originates south of Mansarovar in Tibet. It is known as Karnali in Nepal. Its important tributaries are the Sarda, the Sarju, on the bank of which Ayodhya is located, and the river Rapti. The Ghagra joins Ganga at Chhapra in Bihar. Finally, let us talk about the river Kosi. It consists of 7 streams and is popularly called as Saptakoshi in Nepal. Arun is its main stream, which rises to the north of Gosai Peak. Soon after debouching on the plain, the river becomes sluggish and large-scale deposition of eroded material takes place. This river is known for changing its course frequently. This has resulted in frequent devastating floods. Thus, the river is often termed as the sorrow of Bihar. In order to tame this river, a barrage was constructed in 1965 near Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. Embankments for flood control have been constructed as a joint venture of India and Nepal. So this is all from the Ganga river system. The next video will be most likely on Indus river system. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.